Imagine you're in the middle of baking a beautiful cake for a birthday party. The cake is perfectly baked, the flavors are perfectly balanced, and it's about to be admired by the party's guests. However, at the last minute, the frosting looks uneven and sloppy. You've put in so much effort to get this just right, but a few minutes of sloppy frosting can easily undo all your hard work. The electric cake decorating machine, electric cake cream spreading machine, commercial cake decorating coating machine with electronic control panel for 4 to 16-inch cake, 60W. Pink is designed to make the process of decorating cakes and applying a smooth, even layer of icing a breeze. The baking industry has traditionally been dominated by manual decorating techniques, which have been prone to imperfections. Home bakers and professionals alike have struggled to achieve consistency, precision, and speed when applying frosting to cakes. The emergence of electric cake decorating machines has revolutionized this process, but many models have been plagued by cumbersome designs, limited functionality, and poor build quality. When I first took the electric cake decorating machine out of its packaging, I was struck by its sleek and compact design. The exterior casing is made of high-quality plastic with a durable and easy-to-clean surface. The electronic control panel is well-organized, feature-rich, and incredibly intuitive to use. The unit itself is surprisingly quiet, with barely audible humming during operation. Upon closer inspection, I was impressed by the precision-engineered cake holder and frosting spreader assembly. The adjustable frosting head is capable of applying a thin, precise layer of frosting to the cake, even at the most delicate edges. The machine's motor is surprisingly powerful, capable of spreading up to 16 inches of frosting at a time. The electronic control panel is the true star of the show. The user-friendly interface features a range of pre-programmed settings for frosting consistency, spreader speed, and cake size. The machine also includes a built-in timer, allowing for precise control over frosting application. The panel's illuminated display makes it easy to read, even at a distance. One of the key features that truly sets this machine apart from the competition is its precision temperature control. The machine includes a thermoset heating element, allowing users to apply frosting at the perfect consistency every time. The machine also features adjustable temperature control, allowing users to tailor the frosting application to their specific needs. In terms of real-world performance, I was thoroughly impressed by the electric cake decorating machine. When testing the machine, I found that it consistently produced beautiful, even layers of frosting on a range of different cakes. The frosting was always smooth and consistent, with no signs of over or under application. However, I did encounter a few minor issues during testing. The machine can be a bit heavy, and the frosting spreader assembly does require occasional cleaning. Additionally, the electronic control panel can be a bit confusing to navigate at first, especially for users with limited experience with similar appliances. In terms of competition, the electric cake decorating machine stands out from the crowd in terms of its precision temperature control, durable build quality, and intuitive electronic control panel. While other machines may offer similar features at a lower price point, the electric cake decorating machine's performance, quality, and versatility make it an excellent value for its price. If you're a serious baker or cake decorator, I highly recommend the electric cake decorating machine, electric cake cream spreading machine, commercial cake decorating coating machine with electronic control panel for 4 to 16-inch cake, 60W pink. Its unparalleled precision, ease of use, and performance make it an essential tool for any serious baker. For a limited time, you can purchase this machine at an unbeatable price. I recommend taking advantage of this incredible offer and adding this machine to your baking arsenal today. The electric cake decorating machine is available for purchase online at a low price of $149. Free shipping is available on orders over $50, and a 30-day money-back guarantee ensures that you'll be completely satisfied with your purchase. I encourage you to try the electric cake decorating machine today and experience the power of precision frosting for yourself.